We'll guide you through how to make a Fletcher villager in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. A Fletcher villager is going to go and give you different types of traits. So first of all, what you're going to need is a village, which you can then go and find villagers in. And here, what we need is the job block for a Fletcher, which is a fletching table. To go and make that, you need 4 planks, I'm using oak, and then 2 bits of flint. You can go and get this from gravel. Place it in the crafting table as just like this, and that will give you a fletching table. Now all you need to do is go and find an unemployed villager. If they already have a job, they won't take another. After you've found one, then all you need to do is go and place down the fletching table near them, and they should go up to it just like so and become a Fletcher. Now when you go and right click on them, you can go and see the available traits. It's that simple. If you guys found this useful and you want to go and see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to catch you in the next one.